Hey YouTube, it's Brady. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing another video and I will be making oatmeal. I'm starting the cooking show, as you know, so I'll be cooking different things. So first thing, it's not really cooking, but it's making oatmeal. Just to start off something easy, and I'll expand maybe to like 5-star meals to when I get better. So yeah, I'll also be teaching you if you don't know how to do it. So all you need is oatmeal. I will be making 2 packets, a kettle with water in it, a spoon, and a bowl. Just got that. Got my spoon. Got a bowl. Got the bowl. So you have to add water to the kettle. I usually put it up to here, so you have a bit left. And then you're gonna put that on, make sure it's plugged in, make sure it's blue or a different color or whatever. And then you can also use scissors. I'm gonna use scissors just so it's easier. And then you just wait for it to boil, but while you do that, you can cut open into the and put it in the bowl. One packet. Second packet, since I'm making 2. And there's different kind. You can just buy oatmeal at the store. There's the 2 cups. It's still boiling. If you're the only one eating it, you can take the spoon and like push it down if you want. Now you just wait for this to boil. You could I don't know. And then yeah, I'll throw this stuff out so you don't have to do it. Just grab the packet. Turn it up on the toaster. Yeah, so just like the toaster, you just wait for it to turn off. Taking a while. I'm gonna do some push-ups while I wait. Oh, I'm gonna push-ups for a while. I'm just having oatmeal, but if you wanted to have something else, like you got banana and just put it beside your roll. Oh yeah, you also need milk. You also need milk. I have milk. Just wait for this thing to done boil. Why the hell is it taking so long? It's been boiling for like 3 minutes. just turned off, as you can see. I went from blue to gray. All candles are different. Well, not all of them, but some of them are different. So they won't always be blue. But yeah, so then you grab the kettle by the handle, pop it off, pour a bit of water, not the entire thing, a bit. Like that much. You can do more, but I won't. Then take the milk. Well, you add milk for like not only more, not really flavor, but like. So first you stir with the water in it. Stir, stir. That's what the spoon's for. Stirring it. Yeah, and then add a bit of milk. Good. Stir. And then it's going to be a little liquidy like that. Usually it's mine. Then you can get a butter knife or something, just put it right beside the sink and just drain it. Butter knife. Take the spoon out. And then your end result should be like this. Perfect oatmeal. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and there'll be another cooking video either tomorrow or the next day. Thanks. Have a good day and bye.